Hey guys, it's Mrs. Code again. Today we're going to be talking about word problems. Do you ever get a word problem and you look at it and you think, what am I supposed to do with that? Well, a lot of times you have to do more than one thing. Today we're going to take a look at some strategies that are going to help you work through what a word problem is saying and how to find the correct answer. Let's take a look. There are a lot of different strategies to use when solving a word problem. Draw a picture. Think, does my answer make sense? Are there any patterns in the problem? If all else fails, guess, check, try something. Use what you know and work backwards. Or make an organized list. Let's see which one will help in this next problem. All right, let's take a look at this problem. It starts off with Uncle Ben has 440 chickens on his farm. Let's write that down. So the problem said Uncle Ben had 440 chickens. We make sure to write that down, organizing our information. And anytime we write down a number, make sure that you put a label on it. 440 what? 440 chickens. Let's take a look at the next part. All right, back to the problem. Next it says 39 are roosters and the rest are hens. So I'm going to go back to my work, organizing that information. 39 with my label roosters. The rest are hens. Well, I'm not even going to keep going on my problem. I'm going to figure out how many hens are here before we even keep going. I know that the roosters and the hens should equal 440. So I'm going to take 440 minus 39, 440 chickens minus 39 roosters should give me how many hens we have. Do a little subtraction here. And we already can fill in our organized list that we have 401 hens. Now, is that what the problem's asking? Not quite sure yet, but at least we have our organized information. Next, it says 15 of his hens do not lay eggs. All right, so we're going to go back to our problem. Out of these 401 hens, 15 do not lay eggs. Organizing my information. So if 15 do not lay eggs, out of the 401, let's subtract to find out how many chickens do lay eggs. Do a little subtraction here. And making sure that we label our work. So again, we started with 440 chickens, 39 were roosters. We figured out then how many were hens, the difference between the total amount. Take away the roosters, you're left with 401 hens. 15 of those hens do not lay eggs, which means 386, yes, they do lay eggs. Let's see if that answers our question. Back to the question again we go. The question says, how many egg-laying hens does Uncle Ben have on his farm? We've already organized our work and done all of it on our paper. We know that Uncle Ben has 386 chickens that lay eggs. By simply organizing our information and working through it one step at a time, we were able to come to our answer before we even read the entire question. We rock! As you can see, there's nothing to be scared of when it comes to word problems. Read it one step at a time, organize your information, and you'll be good to go. You know it's coming, one for you to try. Post your answer below, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.